So hey everybody, this is William with Bone Films, and right now I just want to do my unboxing of my DJI Pocket 3. And I did get the creator combo, so let's open it up and see how it's going. So here it comes with a nice little bag. Definitely travel friendly. Looks like the charging handle. We got USB right here. Yep. Extra extension for you want to put a tripod footing on there. And that's how you connect it. Oh wow, got an actual DJI mic. It's definitely gonna need that. Put that to use. Got a smaller mount, look like. Kind of similar. Here we are with the tripod legs. Let's screw that in right now. Perfect. And last but not least, the star of the show. Pocket 3. There you go, gives you the prompt, just scan it, activate. Already good to go. Then I'll do another video where we can see the actual playback and stabilization and all those good things. Thanks for checking it out. All right, so let's see what else we got in here. We got the double USB. Oh, nice. We got the wind muff. It has to look like where you can click it right in. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, comes with a little strap, wrist strap here. Looks like our SD card. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, that moves. What else we got? Silicone, don't need that. Oh, here we have our wide angle lens. I look forward to testing that out. That's it for the bag. All right, last thing. We got a little case, aka protective cover. That definitely come in handy. If you look, it got the notches where you can put the wide angle lens and you can put your Pro Mist filter there. So that's definitely come in handy there. Let's see how it locks in here. There we go. Locked in place. There we go. I'm gonna put everything together and let's test it out. Thanks for watching. Be back shortly.